Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, July 28th. And we had some fundamentals coming out as we talked about in the advanced video. But what do we see here in the Russell? We see a market struggling. It wants to go higher, but there's just nothing behind it. There is uncertainty, there is doubt, and that's what we're seeing here. Right now, this is Asia. So we're seeing some selling coming in. I'm not looking for a big move down unless we get something new fundamentally to drive that market. So weaker prices, yes, but a dramatic move would not be expected. But when we look at what's happening with the US dollar, it is stronger against the currencies. Here at the Canadian dollar, it's weaker. It's approaching levels that we have seen buyers before, but right now we're not looking for strong follow through with the US dollar being so dominant. And when we look at what's going on with gold, we see some changes in the yield. Gold, the dollar difference buy to sell level in that market's $1,400 a contract. And do we look for further movement down? Yes, but this is a logical level that we go sideways in. We've seen that before in this market. We should watch the yields on the 10-year notes. That'll give you some ideas. If yields are going up, you look for continued downward pressure in the gold market. And when we think about what's happening with crude oil, lower prices, and we look for them to go lower, if indeed this couple days that we haven't had any bombings in the Middle East, and if some kind of agreement that could be agreed to and sticks, that's the issue. We're seeing some downward pressure on crude, but will it last? Because we've been down this road so many times, right? If Iran agrees to something, will they follow through on that agreement? And so far they haven't. And I don't know how many times you and I have had that conversation. But let's move on. And let's see what's going on with the corn market. We're seeing some softness here. This is a logical level to go sideways. There is some concern about the yields on this product, as well as beans and wheat. I mean, especially when I think about wheat and the global supply and the yields that we're looking at in many parts of the world, from France and Europe to Russia and Ukraine, and the ability to distribute it. There's some challenges here for this market, but yet we're seeing this softness. Oh, here, that softness, that's the wheat market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. I hope you found something helpful. Looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.